Hi, my name is Darren Steinman, and I am currently in the transition to teaching program through Fort Hays State. I have been a journalism teacher at Central High School in Salina for 2 years now, going through the program and studying as I work, and it's been a really challenging and interesting and fun process. Um, I have been a journalist since I went to school at KU in the 80s. Got a journalism degree. I worked at a couple of Kansas newspapers for about 20 years as a reporter and editor. And now I have the opportunity to kind of translate some of that experience and knowledge I've gained over the years in that field with high school students, and it's been a lot of fun. I really enjoy being around young people, and I just thought it would be just fun for me and interesting and challenging to be a high school teacher and a good fit for me. And so far, it's been all of those things. I have been married for 33 years and I have 4 children, ranging in age from 33 to 22. Currently on vacation in Cozumel, Mexico, with my wife and 2 of my children. The 2 youngest ones are here with us, and we're having a lot of fun. I'll show you really quick what it looks like outside my front door, just to make you a little bit jealous. That was actually my 2 daughters heading to the beach right now, so I need to get my assignment wrapped up so I can head down there with them. So hobbies, one thing I really enjoy is snorkeling. So here in Cozumel, we've been doing a lot of that, and that's a lot of fun. I enjoy skiing, fishing, a lot of outdoor activities, hiking, things like that. Travel, I've been to a lot of places in Latin America. I enjoy doing mission trips in Mexico and other Latin American countries, and that's been really a passion of mine over the years and something I've enjoyed doing a lot. This time we happen to just be here on vacation, but I'm just passionate about the God and His creation. That's one of the reasons I enjoy some of these things so much, is just exploring His creation and just seeing how amazing it is. My experience with leaders, I've had a lot of that in newspaper. Honestly, I've run into a lot of really bad leaders. I don't know why that is. There have been some good ones, but definitely some bad ones, and I've learned a lot from both of them. I think good leaders have vision and foresight and are able to see a couple of steps down the road, kind of playing checkers. So I'm sorry, kind of playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers, kind of thing. And also just someone who is compassionate, who truly cares about their employees or the people that they're leading, and let people know that they do care about them, not just by words, but by actions as well, by serving them and just showing that you care about them. And that's kind of what I try to do with my students, is to show them first that I do genuinely care about them. And I think that really helps as an educator as well, and just makes the whole process so much more enjoyable. But as the advisor of the newspaper at our school, I am in a leadership position, and so hopefully this class will help me to learn more about that, what it takes to be a good leader, and I'll be able to gain some really good practical experience from that. So thanks for watching my video. I look forward to watching yours. I hope you have a great day, and we will hopefully talk to you soon. Take care.